Pero sinabi mo nga, Prof, from 18 to 16, sir, malayo pa yan. And in my opinion, she's in danger of losing a seat in the Senate. Do you think, sir, she would have enough time to campaign para makuha ng enough support para siya po'y pumasok sa top 12? Ano ang tingin mo diyan, Prof? Sorry for asking that question.
Medyo mahirap po sabihin yan kasi syempre nagpe-predict tayo dito, no? Pero what is very clear is that yung late endorsement sa kanya, although it's late in the game, ano, yung endorsement sa kanya ni VP Sara Duterte ay nagkaroon agad ng impact. Sabi nga from number 86 from number 18 or 19 bigla siyang napunta sa number 16. So hopefully for her, ano, yung short period of time na meron pa, sana patuloy na makumbinse yung mga Duterte supporters in Visayas, in Mindanao, and even in Luzon, na talagang she's trustworthy. Oo, para sa mga supporters ng dating Pangulo, no? At saka ni Vice President Duterte. It's a gamble on her part. Malaking sugal po ang ginawa ni Senator Amy Marcos. And tingnan natin if it's going to pay off.